Hello guys, good morning. Good morning. It's me again, Ryan, and I'm back with a weird but really good day trading recap. Today I traded only AMC. There's nothing I can really trade. Like list was just boring, and it was just AMC, and I really thought this is really going to happen. I had a feeling that this was going to happen, so I was really focused on the price action. These levels that I had was from yesterday. I traded AMC yesterday. Oh my god, it's making new all-time highs. Um, yeah, I think AMC is all-time high. Yep, that was the all-time high there, around 23, 20, 36. See there, crazy. Yeah. So yeah, amazing move, man. Crazy move. Amazing. So what I did was at the open, I took it long. As you can see here, I took it long, failed. So I stopped out and I said, okay, I'm gonna short it to the opening price, and this 1850 here, it worked, and I stopped out. And I waited because I stopped out twice, right? I waited only like a few minutes. So how many candles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I waited 5 minutes. I said, okay, I'm gonna try one more, but this time, since it held this opening price, this kind of like a bounce. You see that? And then I took it long here, took profit, didn't follow through. This was run number here 19. It should break through, but it didn't. So I was just risking this opening price is 1861. So I added again, took profit, held for a bit, took profit, and I stopped out because I thought it's gonna go down to VWAP, break this opening price, and probably head down like what it did here. I thought this is somebody's holding this price here, or somebody's selling here. There's a seller here, or someone shorting here. So I was kind of scared. Maybe I was gonna shift back to short. So I only trade price action. The thing is, it went all the way break of high day, and then I missed that. Could have been a really nice move, right? And then I started shorting here, stop out, shorted again, stop out. Same here, shorted because I was just tough for me to switch when it's all time making highs. It's hard for me to to trade the pullback. It's, I don't know, it's probably psychology. Shorted it, stop out, shorted here, took profit, added, stop out. So I was just stopping out at new high days. So that was the plan. When I'm shorting or taking a reversal, I always take close to the bottom, maybe risk 10-20 cents and catch maybe 50-cent move. I shorted it here. Again, it worked, and I stop out break even. And my last try, which was here around 23 area, risking 10-20 cents. High that day was probably 22. I was almost stopped out there, but yeah, I'm glad that I held because I was watching the price action. It was kind of holding there. Yeah, so took profit, stop out. I said, oh my god, I thought it's really gonna go here. This was my area here for me to sell, which actually did. So I tried again, slowly selling, and then heavy sell here, added because I was out of shares, and then there it goes, just holding this 2182. I was holding it. Nobody wants to, like, give up. Added and then stop out, added here, stop out again. Look at that, it's new highs again. So overall it went great. It was great. You might think like I was over trading it, but seriously, I was actually managing my trades pretty well because I was stopping out, not holding my position when it breaks out more. I held here a bit, but I know I'm gonna get stopped because this was kind of my last trade because I stopped at 1, 2, 3 on the fourth try. Because I was kind of like making small amount of money here, and then look at that. Yeah, so Yeah, but before everything else, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel and follow me in my social media accounts. Sorry if I haven't been making recaps every day because I'm in crunch time at work. Uh, we're really busy right now. Yeah, let's watch. Yep, there you go. Let's watch. The market is about to open. I was actually watching just AMC today. Okay, let's watch. So moved about 60 cents. So I took it long here. I haven't taken any profit because I want 1925. Risking somewhere here at low of this candle here, 1890. So I stepped out before it even went there. So that was heavy. Volume 7 million for the first 3 minutes. So I shorted it there, hoping it's above VWAP. So that was a stupid mistake, but my stop will be somewhere at 919 because if it goes above 19, it's probably going to break out. So there you go. I should be taking profit in here. Yep, there you go. That's the take profit. Good move. 30 cent, 50 cent move. That's what I want. Really good profit. I was just playing 50 cents on every trade on this one. So I stopped out. Okay, fast forward a bit. This will take a while, so I might fast forward in some areas. Consolidating. So as you can see here, when I'm entering a trade, I look at the opening price somewhere here. Area is bigger somewhere here. Smaller area here, so you can see the risk reward, right? Smaller area here, bigger area here. If you want to short, you don't want to short here unless your stop is somewhere here, because there's a wider area here. If you want to take it long, this is better because you have a smaller risk here. So you might want to take it long here, maybe risk 1850 or maybe the low of the day, right? So that's how I kind of like trade. So the VWAP is somewhere here, that's why I took it long, probably risking somewhere here 1860 or 1850. So you kind of tell the range already, right? So it moved about 87 cents, so you know what to risk. Maybe 15 cents. Oh, not 50 cents, not 50 cents, 50 cents. I took profit in there, $19, and look for the round numbers. 16 now, round numbers, half round number. So that's what I do. And high of day, low of day, levels. So you add those things. I even added there, confident that it's gonna break. This is like a normal pullback, and there's like a triangle here that wants to break it. It didn't really break it. When it failed there, I said, okay, it's probably gonna retest 1870 and see maybe a drop. That's what I was in my mind while I was trading it, because if it's gonna break, it should have broken 19 already and went to 1925, right? So I took some off there, but these are only 10% take profit, so I stopped out in there. So I said, okay, I got a really small profit. Should I stop trading? Should I wait? After stopping out, it did eventually break, right? So I didn't wanna wait. I want to respect my break even. That's why I stepped out in there, because normally if you don't respect your break even, it's probably gonna head down more. You're gonna freeze. You won't be able to get out. So I'm really trying to practice stopping out. So that's the move I missed. That was the move that I was expecting when I went in here, right? So imagine you were risking this range here, and then this was your reward, right? So the range of this was your reward. So that's how I kind of like visualize it. Like, you don't even have to look at moving averages or whatever. Just trade ranges, ATRs, all those things, and levels, and look at VWAP, opening price. The opening price is here. Imagine the candle will have a wick in here, and then a big thick candle in here with a wick. wick will be somewhere here, right? So put that in your mind, what's happening in the candle, a daily candle. So I took short there at previous day close. Stop out because I need to stop out when I make new highs because it's probably gonna go more. So I entered again when it failed. So see, when I entered here, right, my risk will be somewhere here, this area, and my reward should be 1925 area. If it fails there, I'm gonna stop out at break even. If it fails to go there at 1925. Previous day close is 1956. If it goes there above 1960, I should be stopping out. Yeah, so I stopped out. I already know what I was doing. It's kind of like a gut price action trading. So I don't really have a strategy when I'm trading. I just like to see price action. So right now we're at 19, right? It's probably going to break out. Look at 10 cents. If it reverses back on 10 cents, get in at 20. Okay, it's failing. There you go. So high of days 20. So you have not 20, 2018. So you have 18 cents to risk if you go in at 18. The thing is, new all-time highs 36 is here, or you can short at all-time highs. There you go. So 50, it rejected 50. See 2059. So I shorted it there, risking 50. Okay. There you go. I mean, risking 10 cents, 50, like something like that. Because I'm risking maybe 50 cent here. My trade was about 50-cent risk. On every entry is like 50 cents. So I need 50 cents for that, but I'm only risking 10, 20 cents. So average is 2039, 2040, and we'll be risking 60 cents. So that's like 20 cents, right? So that's 1-to-1 already. But I need $20 for me to be able to make more profit. And then if it goes back here, I need to stop out. Yeah, well, that's what I did. So I already know what I was going to do, right? Even I'm watching my own trade, I know what my mind is thinking at this point. So since we missed the whole long, it was really hard for me to take a long reversal because it's just overextended, really overextended. So I was looking for the big drop for a short, but when you're counter trend trading, you have to respect the high of days. You have to get out at the high of days, right? So there you go. I shorted it here again, risking 21.26, which is high of day. Imagine the reward, right? Risk was here, reward was here. So normally if it goes up like that with volume and it holds, that's where you're short. And then you just stop out somewhere 10 cents, 20 cents, and get like a 50-cent move down or 30-cent move down. So I caught like a 30-cent move in there, but I wasn't really taking profit that big because I need a bigger move like 50 cents before I take a 25% partial. So these are like 10% partials. I even added in there your average is 2106, 16, or yeah, 21 will be my my stop out. So I gave back a bit of profit in there. Come on, so it's down 1, 2, 3. So stop out 3 times. At this point, I was hesitant to trade again. So at this point, I don't really know what really happened. I can't remember what I did here. So let's see. So this I remember. So we have 22, 21.83. This was a good short, shorting at pop, and then selling. There you go. I shorted, risking 83. So average is yeah, risking 20 cents there. So that's a 20-cent move. Take profit. 20-cent move. If it goes up somewhere at 2065, 2165, I'll be stopping out. I think if I don't, then I'm screwed. Can't remember what I did here. So 2160 is my average. We need probably a 30-50 cent move for us to be able to make money. Oh my god, it's making new highs. 2183 is new highs. Taking profit again. 20 and 21. Maybe we need 21. Can't remember what I did here. Okay. On every drop we take profit. For every lows around this area we should be taking profit. And next will be 2080 area. Okay, so this is point of control, volume point of control or something. So point of control was somewhere here. That's kind of like somewhere here now. Meaning when it's wherever this is, that's where the volume and the price are, like, like, I don't know how to explain it. I'll explain it later. So I'm looking at the trade. So I stopped out in there. And I said, oh, it's gonna make new all-time highs again. There you go. So it failed at 22. Good thing I stopped out. Failed at 22. I said, okay, should I be trading at 80 area if it fell 22? But it didn't fail. Going to continue. So let's wait for the next round, which is probably 22.55. So somewhere here, 50 area. Next will be 23. I kept just waiting and waiting for the round numbers. So this is a really detailed recap, which is weird. Because I don't normally trade like reversals heavy like this. I want to show it when I do it. So okay, we're at 23 now. Maybe let's wait for 23.20 before we get in and see how it reacts. So round number here. Okay, there you go. Shorted. Oh my god, I need to stop out at 20 area. Shorted at 91. Okay, there you go. We need to take profit at 60. Okay. There you go. Taking profit 60 something, 65. Because as you can see, it could squeeze more, but like look how far it is. Look, like the range where it goes and pulls back, right? So you can kind of see from VWAP that you can kind of risk maybe 20-30 cents, and it's within the round number. That's where you short. So average is 22.91. Really tight range. I almost stopped out in here. 81. Oh my god, I removed. Oh yeah, I stopped out. Wow, so I stopped out so many times, but I'm still green. Okay, shorting it again below 23s. I think this was my last one. Okay, take profit at 30 cents. Risking 23s. Oh man, that was a good move. 50-cent move. 77, 27, 60 cent, 70-cent move. So that was the money maker. Yeah. I'm glad I went in. But these are all like small profits. Yeah, it's great. So whole sending order 85, 2185, which is I think a bit too far. New average is 62. Fast forward this a bit. Take profit. So there's a round number there. It's holding a round number. Next will be something 80 cents, 90 cents, as you can see here. 90. Okay, let's fast forward this. There you go. So 22s. 22.62. It's my average. Added in there 22.44 because I ran out of shares, so my average is now really close to my entry. So when added there, I just added whatever I have left. Just kind of like really close to my entry. Should be taking profit somewhere 80 or 22.9, 21.90 area. It needs to break down 22s. There you go. Yep, I took profit. And it's gonna reverse, probably gonna reverse back. If not, if it holds, then it's gonna go 21.60. See, it's kind of like holding this price here. There's a wall here. Now, I was actually just watching the price action level 2 added in there. The new average is 22.30. I need to stop out 40 maybe. Yeah, so I stopped out. Before it even squeezes, I was out. Yeah, that was it. So yeah, I'm done recording. Yeah, so as you can see here, right? So this was hive day. Imagine shorting it here and catching the whole move here. So when I'm shorting, I always look at the room here and risks just a small room here, right? So what I did here was actually the same as this move here. So it's probably gonna test 22 again. If panics, it's gonna go to 21, 50, 35, 36 area. So yeah, that was a great day. My heart rate probably through the roof when I was trading this. But yeah, it's just managing your trade actually. Okay, we're really going really long now, but just want to say week Monday will be a holiday in the US. So tomorrow's Friday. You know, I hope there's new movers. Getting boring and boring. I don't want to trade Wall Street bet stocks because it's really dangerous. I wish we get more like a better list tomorrow. So by the way, my swing trades are doing well. My FSL trade is up really good. I haven't really taken a big I haven't taken a good profit in this one. I'm holding and see how it goes. I've sent some sell orders. Yeah, AC is really good. Twitter on man, really good. OPTT is doing well, really good. It's only I have one really bad down 10%, which is Disca. Okay. Seeing how it looks, but it's mostly the renewable energy stocks. Yeah, so if you like my video, thank you for watching and subscribe for updates. If you have any questions, just comment down below. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel, and yeah, hope to see you guys next time.